Today the 10th of April and the time is 20:36. Okay, let's look at some cryptos. Okay, a quick look on Bitcoin. I don't want to spend much time on Bitcoin. Nothing much has happened, still the same. We haven't broken out of this support trend line, and we've also haven't broke out of this bearish trend line here. Since our last video, I think we were around in this area. We had this price going down to where we are right now at around 6.8, 6.7. Still, there's not much that you can say on Bitcoin. It can break out here, go up, we can consolidate. That's what I would like to see, consolidation and slowly going up. Or we can break down out of this support trend line here that comes all the way back, which I don't think. I think we are going to have some support in this area, which coincidentally becomes a double bottom with the bottom that we saw here early February. So even if the price can turn in this area, if the price starting breaking out of here, we will see this double bottom playing out. So it will be this bottom and this bottom, and this area will become a neckline. Otherwise, we've got this support here around 5,000. If we break out of the trend line, and then we've got this ultimate support down here in the 3,000. I don't think we'll ever get there, but we'll see. Nothing much happening here. Let's look at some altcoins. That's what I'm interested in, the altcoins. When are we going to see the alt season? Let's look at Ether. Is Ether going to bring us the alt season? Let's have a look here. If we look here on Ether, we are in this area, very critical area. This was, you can see here, it was a top broken out here before the price went up. So some resistance in this area again, again there, and then we saw the price coming here and making the double bottom. Let's just zoom here. You can see that double bottom happening here, and then we've got the neckline that just got broken. So I do not see any resistance after breaking this neckline of the double bottom. I don't see any resistance until we get to maybe to this area. But let's just bring in some Fibonacci. We'll start with the bigger wave. Let's swing high to swing low. Okay, if we use this bigger wave, you can see that the price, it's retesting the 23% retracement area. Okay, let me take this one out and bring other fib right here. Just get the right bottom, swing low, swing high. Okay, when we look at this, it's giving us some good information. We see the fib zone here, that actually it was broken. The price sort of broke out. Are we going to see the price coming here to retest and going back down, or are we going to see the price breaking out here and then come next to this this area that we spoke about that if this is our next resistance. So what I'm seeing here is if the price can break out of this area, if we see 0.063, and then we can confirm that Ether has found its bottom here and it's going back up. So this area is going to be critical. You can mark this area, just make a small mark here. So if we get out of this area, and then it will be a confirmation that indeed this was a double bottom here, and this is the top of the double bottom. We break out of the bear trend line, and then we're going up, and then we're gonna find our first resistance around this area, and then we can continue going back up. So this is going to be a very critical area. If we see 63, 627, 63, and then we can confirm that we are out of this area. We might see the price going up and then retesting, and then we are out of this area. So Ether, normally it will bring you the alt season. Let's see what happened. Let's also look at China Ether, NEO. Okay, we are also seeing that NEO looks like it made it bottom. Just zoom here. We have seen this massive candle, I think it was 2 days ago or so. So this massive candle, now we are forming, if we can go to a smaller time frame, we're gonna see that here it's actually forming some triangle up here. Forming this triangle. See if it's gonna break out here. This definitely is gonna break upwards. I don't think it's gonna break backward. 8 out of 10 a setup like this, the price is gonna break upward. You can see it's quite steep. We might not even see the price consolidating here. We must see the price breaking up. So NEO and Ether starting to look bullish. Just a matter of few days, and then they're gonna tell us what's happening. But if we really want to see if the alt season is back, there is one coin that we need to look at, and that is DOGE. Let's go back and look at DOGE. All right. Let me just bring this all these waves. You can see DOGE does the same thing again and again and again. We have seen this bit of accumulation here, and we are now seeing the price breaking up. We haven't seen 45 sets in quite some time, since early March. If the price starts going up to this area, we might just have started the altcoin season. Let me just bring in the 4-hour chart. We have seen this area of accumulation where the price was moving. The bottom that we saw was 37, which was in for long. but the price was basically around 40, 41, 39 cents area. The only thing that might be of concern is if this area is the same as this area, where we had this sort of a fake out and then the price continue going down. Then if that's happened, we can have this fake out and then the price comes to this area, which is going to be a despair or area of disbelief. But we will see what's going to happen. So I will be comfortable if we start getting out of this area. Let me also mark this area. I'll mark it from all the way back. If we come and break and come to this area, that's when I think we can say that the alts are back. So the past 2-3 days, in fact, past weeks, we have seen the altcoins starting to retain its value against Bitcoin, not losing more against Bitcoin, sort of being stable accumulation. So like I said, I think the bottom is near, or the bottom is in already. So it's just a matter of few days, and then we're gonna see the direction of the altcoins. I think the altcoins will start first, and then after a couple of weeks or a month or two, Bitcoin will follow, or Bitcoin can go sideways the whole year or so, which is still fine, as long as the altcoins can pump and then we can make more Bitcoins through altcoins, then we are good. Okay, that was it from me. If you've got any question, if you want any clarity, do not hesitate. Stay calm, respect the market, and be humble. I'm out. Cheers.